Hello guys and welcome to Painting Panthers. My name's Christian and today we've got some DarkZone models on the channel for review, and these are the glorious 20mm 1/72 scale modern horror range by my good friend Matthias. I believe that's how you pronounce his name. I do apologize if I got that wrong, buddy. But they are awesome. They are, as I said, modern horror. They're based around sort of top secret military operations in paranormal exclusion zones. Now they're made up of zombies as well as scavengers and other types of like apocalyptic bandits. They're all in sort of ragtag survival gear, ripped clothes and gas masks, as you're seeing on the screen now. And they're going to be perfect for those sort of gaslands, post-apocalyptic gaming. I was also thinking Metro 2033, the PC game, for those that are familiar with it. And it's all based around the sort of Chernobyl style. So they're Russian style scavengers with zombies and stuff and all the applicable clothing and whatnot. So a really cool 80s/90s sort of Soviet themed horror range of miniatures. Now the actual miniatures themselves are lovely. They are sculpted brilliantly. Matthias himself is very modest. When I've been speaking to him, we speak quite often as well because he's a fellow Aussie, represent, and he's very modest in the fact that he doesn't go on about how great his range is, where I think his detail and eye of detail is fantastic. The sculpts are brilliant, lots of detail where they need to be, but the detail isn't over the top. Sometimes 20mm figures can be a little bit over the top in their detail and it makes them quite difficult to paint. So they are an absolutely great range of miniatures to paint. They look fantastic once painted, and you'll see at the very end of the video one that's painted. As you can see, the detail on all of them is great. The zombies are a mixture of really fun poses and a really sort of scary poses too. So you've got some holding weapons with scarves on and others just looking like your typical sort of zombie. Yeah, looking really cool. The scavengers as well are just awesome. They kind of give me like sort of SAS style vibes with those gas masks on. Yeah, modern horror is just something I've never really thought about getting into, but the DarkZone models range is really making me change my mind because they're just so cool. The actual figures themselves are produced or manufactured, I should say, by North Star Military Figures. That's a bit of a tongue twister, in the UK, but they also have a retailer in the US, so I'll leave both of those links in the video description. So if you're interested in these, you can find these. But yeah, the actual figures are lovely. They require very little cleanup. There's very little flash on these ones unless I've just got a special badge, but when I can tell, yeah, really nicely done. So yeah, overall they're just an absolutely great range of figures. So if you're in the market for some new modern horror figures, why not give DarkZone models a go? As you've been able to tell already, they are just lovely. The painted figure especially has come out so nicely. I'm really chuffed with it. And you can find these models, as I said, at North Star Military Figures in the UK, as well as the US retailer, which I'll leave a link to their website in the video description. North Star have got all of the DarkZone models on there, and I know a lot of you are from the UK, so if you want to show DarkZone some love, yeah, definitely grab yourself some and try out a new type of model. If you're not into sort of modern horror range, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. And if you show him some support, I'm secretly trying to get him to do some World War II stuff, and he's warming up to the idea. So I think he will make a fantastic addition to the World War II club in 20mm form, especially with the amount of detail that are on these horror miniatures. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you've had any dealings with DarkZone models in terms of how you rate their models, if you're going to be actually grabbing some as well. I really would love to know. So yeah, leave me a comment below. Thanks again, Matthias, for sending me these, and I'm going to leave the video here. Alright guys, thanks again,